Hello, and welcome to the second part of my Parent Trap Canada Edition series. Today, we are going to the Flower Pot Island. We had a pretty ride from our Airbnb, and we reached the parking lot of the cruise. There was a cruise organized shuttle, and we were on our way to the port or the harbor or whatever it's called. The drive was actually really short. I'd say it was 5 minutes, but let's just say under 7 minutes for the safe side. There are two different cruises that you can take. You can either take the Bruce Anchor or you can take the Blue Heron. We went ahead with the Blue Heron one because there were like glass bottoms with which you could see the shipwrecks and also just vibes, because why not? You have the option of sitting inside or outside. You will get pretty views from both the places. We were able to see the turquoise water through the glass bottom. Soon enough, we were near the first shipwreck that we got to see. There's a guide on board who will, tell you about the entire history and what happened. And even the cruise is kind of stopped, so you can take the time to actually marvel at like how clear the water is. Because, dude, like even outside, wait, there's a clip. But even when you go outside, you don't need this glass bottom, to be honest, to be able to see how clear the water is and how the shipwrecks there. I have a failed attempt at zooming in. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, but like you can zoom out and you can actually see with your naked eye, and it's marvelous. Like the water is so clean, and it's not like it's shallow water, like it is pretty deep. This is another side of the shipwreck that we saw. It was really cool. There are a lot more, but I think the cruise only stops for this one. There's also a lighthouse that we got to see briefly, and then yes, on to the island. So we're on the way to Flower Pot Island right now. I have my hoodie on because I get cold very quickly.
Second one off to the side, same.
I'm cold, very cold. After a while, when we were finally done with like a lot of the pictures, it really didn't feel like the ferry ride was too long. We were very soon near the Flower Pot Island, and we could see these little houses. They were very cute. We could see like some other people who had come on a ferry before us. We also learned about the erosion that led to such like rock structures and how the flower pots were created, and it was really cool. Right when you get off the cruise, you have the option of using the restrooms. We proceeded to this place where you could see the map and you could shortlist which of the trails you wanted to go on. We decided to go on the lighthouse trail because it would have had both the flower pots, and we were just freestyling, honestly. Like we didn't have an agenda. So walking on these rocks is a bit tricky, but not impossible. Just be careful. Okay, I want to shake you. Woo! Absolutely no points for guessing that the moment we reached here, by the way, that's where we walked from. The moment that we reached here, we obviously took a lot of pictures, but just look at the water. Like you can see different colors, and fortunately, this was a relatively sunny day, unlike the previous one where, we had a lot of clouds and it was very gloomy. Of course, our parents were doing this cute picture. I'll just include it. They were trying to spell out love. See, isn't it so cute? I think it was very wholesome. That was just a random clearing that we were at, so we kind of, came back to the trail and we started walking ahead to eventually reach one of the flower pots. On the way, we could see like some clearings or openings from where you could look at the water, and there are some steps here and there, but all in all, I think the trail is extremely comfortable and it's very easy to follow. Like it's really easy. If I'm saying that, trust me, it is. And then we were finally here. That is the large flower pot, but it looks small because it's really far. And on the other side, you can see the small flower pot, which looks really big because it's just like we were closer to it. Please do not disown me. Like this was probably not funny and like not a good way of me explaining physics. You can see why I studied psychology, but it was such a pretty place. Like you can listen. I am crazy about just like looking at water and looking at waves, and just whatever this thing is. Like thank God for the memory on my phone, because water is all that takes it. Basically, this is Jay's condition. Riddhi and I were getting pictures clicked for our jackets and our bottles and everything on him. Thanks, Jay. You're welcome. We're currently at a pretty spot within this rock, and if you turn, there's another rock there, and this one view, that's the small flower pot, that's the big flower pot, and I'm on the photographer duty. Eventually, the phone batteries and the storage space had started to give up. So we left that spot and we started walking ahead, and like dad is doing the most Indian dad thing ever, where he's just like walking in the front to see what there is, and this is what there was. It's just a very calm and a quiet spot where we sat for some time before eventually leaving. So we're walking back to this place is called Beachy Cove, where you actually get on the ferry back. There are a lot of different trails and there are a lot of different things that you can do on the island. We just decided to take like half of the flower pot trail, and we got like, I don't know, a gazillion pictures. And then essentially our ferry back was at 2, but we could go back at 1 if we wanted, and we really do, because everyone's like getting hungry and there are like other things to explore. So that's just what we're doing. But yeah, there's a bunch of things that you can do here. I'm adding a list of everything that you can do in the islands. You can take a screenshot of it and use it if you're planning your itinerary. It was a pretty short walk back to the cruise, and there was quite a lot of space, so there was no issue with us like going an hour earlier than our scheduled cruise. Hello. So we're finally on our cruise back, and shut up. And these are the 3 organizers of the entire trip. We've made the adults sit niche, and yeah, we're just gonna go back now. You can see different shades of water. I hope you can see.
With child life jackets specifically in the large white bin behind the wheelhouse on the upper
This guy's
deck.
quite nice today.
We also have 4
Bye bye cruise.
Bye cruise. Bye to the Flower Pot Island. We said bye a while back. Bye. On our way back, we decided to stop at an Indian restaurant for lunch before we went back to the Airbnb. Hello, so I'm now going to show you around the outside of the house. Okay, so if you can see, that behind me is the main road, and I think I'll have to flip the camera. So that's the main road. There's like an entryway from there, so you take the right from the main road and you come here. There's like a tree on the front yard of the Airbnb, and so you take the right. This is where we park the car. There's a garage there, but we just leave it out like it's fine. So there's a tree, there's a nice swing, and this is the Airbnb from outside. That's the main entryway which we use, and this is what the vibes are like. It's quite cute. There's like there's a lot of open space, and this is the car that we've currently rented. Going behind the house now, there's like some stairs of sorts that have been made. That is a pool which isn't currently functional, because I think it only operates from like the mid of summer, and a few days ago there were like sub-freezing temperatures, so it's not operational. There's a bench there, that's a hot tub which we're hoping to use soon. Those are the stairs that lead up to like the common seating area, and there's like the entire backyard. There's a lot of like trees and greenery, and you can hear a lot of different birds, and you could go that side and like you'll come back up to the front. But yeah, I think this is what it looks like. We're all super excited about just being here, and like Riddhi and I are super excited about going into the hot tub. We'll see who else comes and joins us. We're kind of bummed out about the pool, but like it's fine, like none of us wanted to freeze, and it's not a heated pool, so that's okay. And yeah, like this much outdoor space is not something that's like very commonly available, or even if it is available, like we hardly get time to actually use it and sit around. So we've gotten like a bunch of different games that we can play outside. We have badminton, we can like just play whatever running games we want, and even indoors, like we've been playing a bunch of like different card games, and it's been great. So that's what we're gonna do now. That's a fire pit as well, but I don't think we're gonna use it. So Riddhi is here in the kitchen directing everyone, and mummy papa यहाँ पे भेल बना रहे हैं. पापा से हाय. हाँ अंकल.
की हेल्प कर रही है।
पापा बना रहे, मम्मी हेल्प कर
मेन
रही है।
शेफ भी हमारे राजकुमार श्रीवास्तव जी है।
You will get Maggi in 2 minutes.
Maggie also you're making, yum.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. I love it. Looks very nice. Oh, I haven't shown this. This is the sitting area. हम लोग ने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हिला डुला दी हैं. And of course it doesn't look as nice as it did earlier. And this is where we went out. That's the hot tub. Can you see it? Okay. Lights, camera, action.
कैलेंडर खाना दो कैलेंडर
Thank you.
Maggi now.
Thank you, thank you. It's Maggie with a twist.
Say hi to Shraddha's vlog.
Hey, hi Shraddha, how are you? You know, I really like your blog, and then on your recommendation, I'm here.
टुकड़े बहुत ही मस्त है, दोनों बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा किया है और जय ने भी अच्छी मेहनत की, अपना कार्ड पूरा योगदान दिया है।
Cards करने।
Tandoori nights.